Hi guys, Chris from Handyman here. Just a very short vlog just to show you guys what a London bar is and what a Birmingham bar is. It's a method of door frame security. I've just fitted one here. As you can see, this side we've got the London bar. It's a simple D around the latch so that the door is functional. What it does is it secures your frame. A lot of these period doors, the framing isn't so tough anymore because they've been around for quite a while. So yeah, on the left hand side we've got the Birmingham bar, which is just a straight strip. Again, reinforcing the frames. Quite simple installation, but very effective and most importantly recommended by the police. So make sure you get your security ramped up this winter. But yeah, give us a call if you're interested in installing these. My number's below. You can also find it in the link. So yeah,